Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you guys how to use AutoDS for Shopify. So this is actually, there are two ways. You search up for AutoDS and two websites come up. First one is from AutoDS. If you choose to click on this one, you can click on Get Started and then wait for it to load up. Or what you can do is click on this Shopify App Store and then click on Install. From there, it's gonna ask which account of Shopify you want. Let's say we click on this one and then let's say confirm. We don't have, we don't need any of these. And then it says log into your Shopify store. And if you don't have a store, then you need to sign up. So we're going to do that very quickly. Click on next and then sign up with Google and then click on this one more time, and then it says building your store. So give Shopify some time to do this. As you can see, almost done, and these are all the things you get. And as you can see, we're inside the admin, and now what we can do is click on install over here one more time. This is the account that we want our AutoDS to be connected to, and it's asking us to log in one more time and finalize everything. As you can see, it says it needs access, so we're going to click on install and it's going to be installed into our Shopify, and you can easily find that right over here under apps. You can also just pin this so it's here permanently, and then as you can see it says you pinned AutoDS right over here. So we're going to cut that and we will wait for it to load up. And once it will load up, as you can see, the things you can do is easily import a huge variety of products to your Shopify store. You can do product sourcing, automatically fulfill dropshipping orders that like you don't need to do them manually anymore, and then smart product optimization, which will be done because this is automated and AI. You'll also find a lot of free courses, mentorships in our complete AutoDS, things like that. This also works with AliExpress and other stuffs. As you can see, you need to choose which package, and you can also see what are the things you're gonna get. And once you choose, they will guide you through each step. And this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.